Welcome. In front of me I have Smart TV Samsung TU 8082 inches, and I'm going to show you how you can change keyboard language on this device. So at the first you have to grab your remote controller and then click this icon, this button, and then move to the settings, click OK, and after that we have to move to General and go for the External Device Manager, and then go for the Input Device Manager. Right now move to the keyboard settings and select keyboard language. So here we can easily change the language. For example, for the Polish is right here, and as you can see it's very simple. Here we also get the keyboard type option, but honestly I don't know what it is, because when you change language for the second, so for example for the English, we are going back with the English, we can okay, and right now I understand we can select the region of the language. So we can use the UK, Canada, US International, or just simply United States. So yeah, that's how we can change the keyboard language on this TV. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.